Now, let us look some problems on derivatives of functions and parametric functions. Okay. Sometimes you can find that the relation between the two variables, which can be uh, uh, neither explicit nor implicit. Okay. It is linked to the third variable. Okay. Now, for these problems, either we have to separately establish the relation between the two variables, okay, separately. Then the third variable is called the parameter, okay. So, suppose if I have x is f of t, function of t, and y is a function of t, okay, g of t. Then to find the derivative, or in order to find the derivative, we find dy by dt, which is equal to dy by dx and dx by dt. Okay, so we'll be finding dx by dt and dy by dt in order to find dy by dx. Okay. So let us solve few problems based on this. Okay. Okay. So let us start. So here we have x as 280 square and y as 80 power 4. Okay. So as I said, x and y are connected parametrically. Okay. Now keep in mind that we got to uh, uh, sustain x and y, eliminating t. So to find dy by dx. Okay, this is what we are going to find. So let us take this. So this will be dx by dt differentiating with respect to t. Okay, on the both sides. So this will be 480 and dy by dt differentiating with respect to t. So this is dy by dt. So this will be 480 cube. Okay. Now dy by dx is dx by dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So which results to 4t cube by 4at, which is equal to t square. Okay, so we got dy by dx is equal to t square. Okay, without eliminating any variable. Okay, let us solve another problem. So let us solve another problem, which is x which is a cos t and y is equal to b cos theta. Okay, x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Okay, again differentiating with respect to um, theta on both the equations. Okay, So we get dx by d theta, which is minus a sine theta, dy by d theta is minus b sine theta. So we want to find dy by dx here. Okay. So dy by dx will be minus b sine theta divided by minus a sine theta, which is b by a. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to b by a. Okay. Now let us look at another problem. Now again, x is equal to sine t and y is equal to cos 2t. So again, let us find dy by dx here without eliminating any variable here. So differentiating with respect to t on both sides. So dx by dt will be cos t, dy by dt is this is minus 2 sine 2t. So dy by dx will be minus 2 sine 2t. Okay, considering this by cos t. Okay, so so now sine 2t is 2 sine t cos t. So please remember this. So you can cancel cos t, and this results as 4 sine t, or dy by dx is minus 4 sine t. So here we have another problem. Okay, again differentiating with respect to t. So this will be dx by dt, which is 4 dy by dt. So this a is minus 4 by t square, and dy by dx is minus 1 by t square. Okay. So again, let us look at another problem. So x is cos theta minus cos 2 theta, and y is sine theta minus sine 2 theta. Again, differentiating with respect to theta here. So here we got to find dy by dx. So so this will be dx by d theta is minus sine theta. This is uh, minus uh, and then plus 2 sine 2 theta, or this is 2 sine theta, sine 2 theta minus sine theta. Okay, dy by d theta, this gives as cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, so minus this dy by dx. Okay, so this will be cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta divided by um, 2 sine 2 theta minus sine theta. So let us solve this. Again, x and y. Okay. Find dy by dx. Okay. So with respect to theta, so x is dx by d theta is let us keep this constant here. So with respect to theta, so this is 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now dy by d theta is constant. So this by 0 minus sine theta. Okay. Now when we combine this, dy by dx is minus a sine theta by a into 1 minus cos, or this is minus minus 2. Okay, this gets cancelled. Minus 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by uh, 2 sine square theta by 2, or this dx dy by dx is minus cot theta by 2. Okay. So let us solve another problem. Okay. So let us find dy by dx. Okay. Now we shall be using u by v. Okay. Yeah. U by v. Okay. So dx by dt is equal to, this will be square root of cos 2t d by dt of sine cube t minus sine cube t multiplied, okay, d by dt of square root of cos divided by root of cos 2t whole square. Okay. So after simplifying it, we get the final result as dx by dt as 3 cos 2t multiplied sine square t cos t minus sine cube t by 2 multiplied minus 2 sine 2t. Okay. So this divides by cos 2t root cos 2t. Okay. Further, so this will be dx by dt after simplifying. This will be 3 cos 2t sine square t cos t plus sine cube t sine 2t divided by cos 2t root cos 2t. And dy by dt is square root of cos 2t multiplied d by dt of cos cube t minus cos cube t multiplied d by dt of square root of cos t divided by cos 2t square root whole square. Okay, or dy by dt after simplification, we obtain as minus 3 cos 2t cos square t sin t plus cos cube t sin 2t divided by divided by cos 2t square root of cos 2. Okay, now let us find dy by dt dx. Okay, so dy by dx is minus 3 cos 2t multiplied cos square t multiplied sin t plus cos cube t sin 2t divided by 3 cos 2t cos t sin square t plus sin cube t uh, sin 2t. Okay, now further simplifying, let us take sin common, and then after simplification we get dy by dx as minus cot 3t. So please, we have used cos 2t formula, that is 2 cos square t minus 1, and cos 2t as well as 1 minus 2 sin square t. And we have also used cos 3t, which is 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t, and sin 3t, 3 sin t minus 4 sin squared. We have used all these formulas. Yes. Now let us solve this problem here. So what do we have here? So yeah, okay. So let us solve this. So with respect to power again, okay. So dx by dt. So this will be a differentiation of cos is minus sine and a log plus 1 by, this will be tan t by 2. Differentiation of tan is secant square t by 2. Again, differentiation of t by 2, which results half. Okay, this is done. Or further simplification, this is tan will be cot. Okay, let us write that minus sin t. Cot can be written as cos t by 2, and sine t by 2, right? And secant 1 by cos square t by 2. Okay, so, okay, while simplifying this further, so we get this as a multiplied minus sine t, and this is 1 by sine t. Okay, or you can write as 1 minus sine square t by sine t. Okay, or this is a cos square t by sine t. Okay, now dy by dt, this will be a and 2 cos t. So dy by dx is a cos t divided by uh, a into cos square t by sine t, or this is so dy by dx is equal to tan t. So let us solve another problem. So here we have x is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta. Okay. So dx by d theta is a, differentiation of secant is secant theta tan theta, dy by d theta, uh, tan will be secant square. So b secant square theta. So dy by dx is b by a cosecant. Simplifying it.